So by now you guys probably already know that IGTV is meant solely for vertical videos, and that really doesn't work for cinematic footage where you got nice widescreen shots where you want the whole landscape of something to be shown. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually flip that format so you can actually have the full widescreen experience with IGTV on your videos. So first of all, you want to head on into your favorite editing program. I'm using Final Cut Pro X here, but really any editing software will work. I've tried this with After Effects, with Premiere Pro, all of those work. You just need the ability to adjust the aspect ratio of your video. Then you want to go ahead and start up a new project. You can do that by going to File, New, and then Project, and then that will open up the new project window. And as you can see here, it says you can add in a project name, the event that you want here, the starting time code, and also the video format. I've got it automatically set up to 4K video, but that's a bit overkill for IGTV. Just going with 1080p is more than enough. So you want to go down to where it says video format, and you want to select custom, and then that will allow you to custom set the resolution of your video and also the frame rate. So you can see here it says 1920 by 1080, so that is just the regular widescreen video that you would normally get for 1080p, and then it's got a frame rate here of 23.98. So basically you want to select your frame rate to whatever you filmed your video in. So I filmed my video in 30 frames per second, so I'm going to select 30p. And then on the resolution here, you basically just want to swap around the numbers. So instead of 1920 by 1080, you can sort of imagine that is what the widescreen video would be. You just want to put it as 1080 by 1920 instead. So you just basically swap it around, and that basically just makes the video vertical. So now you've got a custom video here of 1080 by 1920 at 30 frames per second, and then you can leave everything else automatic how it is, or you can set it to whatever you want on there, whatever suits your video best. And then you can also put a project name on there, so I'm going to put IGTV and then press OK. Then you'll see it opens up a new project window, and you'll see at the top here it's 1080 by 1920 at 30 frames per second with stereo audio. And then basically all you need to do is drag in your footage that you want to have in this project. So I've got an old video of mine here about how to free up storage on your iPhone. You can go ahead and check it out by clicking on the card up in the top right hand corner here. And basically you'll see that it automatically puts the black bars either side of it. So you've got the video here, and you can do that, but for cinematic footage that doesn't really look too good. So all you want to do is basically rotate your footage. When your viewers are watching your videos in IGTV, all they need to do is just rotate their phone, and then they can see the video in the full widescreen glory. So all you want to do is head on down to these transform tools here. So you just want to click on that, and you'll see that it will add on some transform control points here. And then you basically just want to turn the video 90 degrees so that it's facing this way. And you can see up the top here, it says the rotation is currently at 92 degrees. You want to hit that perfectly on 90. And then you can also scale up the video itself so that it fits the frame. And it looks a bit weird now, but once it's on IGTV, then it will actually be able to, you can rotate your phone and then you can see it in full widescreen. So you can see here it fills the frame nicely. Then you just want to press done, and then basically you've got your video all set up there. It plays through just as it normally would in widescreen. Then you're going to want to render out your footage. You're just going to want to do that as normal as you normally would with any footage that you export from your editing software. Here I just go for File, Share, and then I go for Master File. That's the best way you can do it, or you can also put Apple devices 4K, 720p, 1080p. So I'm just going to click on Master File, and then it will ask you where you want to save it and also what you want to title it, stuff like that. You just want to save it, then send it on over to your phone, upload it to IGTV, and you're done. So I hope that video helped you out, guys. If it did, then be sure to leave a comment down below. And of course, if you'd like more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video.